Are you a dog lover dreaming of a loyal and charming companion from Japan? Well, today we're taking you on a journey to discover two incredible breeds, the Akita Inu and the Shiba Inu. These pups are Japan's finest, each with its own unique charm. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you might just find your perfect furry match. Welcome back to Doggy Pedia, where we bring you all things dog-related. Without further ado, let's begin. Size. The Akita Inu is a large and robust dog breed. When you think about their size, picture a dog that can weigh as much as an average human adult or even more. Male Akitas in particular can tip the scales anywhere from 100 to 130 pounds, 45 to 59 kilograms. That's similar to the weight of some grown men. On the other hand, female Akitas are a tad smaller, but still pack a significant heft, usually weighing between 70 and 100 pounds, 31 to 45 kilograms. So if you're considering an Akita, be prepared for a large and sturdy companion. On the other hand, the Shiba Inu is more akin to what you might envision when you think of a medium to small-sized dog. Male Shibas, with their compact build, generally tip the scales between 17 to 23 pounds, 7 to 10 kilograms, which is comparable to the weight of a few stacked bricks. Female Shibas are even lighter, usually weighing between 13 to 20 pounds, 6 to 9 kilograms. Because of their small size and quick movements, these dogs look very energetic and playful, which matches their fun and independent nature. Appearance. Due to their big and sturdy build, the Akita Inu gives an imposing and quite intimidating energy. When you gaze upon their eyes, the first thing you might notice is its broad head, which serves as a foundation for its deep-set, watchful eyes. These eyes often carry an expression of alertness and intelligence, hinting at the breed's history as a guardian and protector. Their solid frame isn't just for show, it's a testament to their strength and endurance, qualities that have made them respected in their native Japan. On the other hand, the Shiba Inu often draws comparisons to a fox due to its distinct appearance. Think of a dog that's quick and energetic, with pointy ears that always stand up. Adding to this fox-like appearance is their curled tail, a signature trait that often waves proudly above their back. Their overall structure displays agility, like they're always ready to run or play. This combination of playful looks and athletic build gives the Shiba Inu an undeniable charm, capturing the hearts of many around the world. Temperament. The Akita Inu is like that strong, silent friend who's always got your back. Think of a big, fluffy dog that prefers to sit and watch rather than bark at every little thing. Their loyalty, top-notch. They're like your own personal bodyguard, always ready to protect their family. But just like some superheroes are a bit mysterious, Akitas might take a moment to trust newcomers. It's their way of making sure their loved ones are safe. Now, picture the Shiba Inu as that lively friend who's always up for an adventure. These little balls of energy move around with confidence. Always up for a game, their energy is undeniably contagious. But be warned, just as a kid might guard their favorite toy, a Shiba might flash a side-eye if you get too close to their prized possessions. This blend of spirited independence and playful possessiveness ensures that life with a Shiba is always a delightful adventure, filled with twists, turns, and tail wags. Trainability. Training an Akita Inu is like coaching a strong, determined athlete. These dogs tend to have a mind of their own, which means they have their own ideas about how things should go. This strong-willed nature requires a steady hand and a lot of consistency from an early age. Just like teaching a child good habits from the start, you'll want to introduce the Akita to training routines early on. But with practice and perseverance, you'll find that beneath that tough exterior is a loyal companion eager to please and protect. Meanwhile, Shiba Inu is a bit like that mischievous kid in class, smart, curious, but oh so stubborn. They won't just follow a command because you say so, they'll want to know what's in it for them. The trick? Shower them with praises, treats, and lots of positive vibes. Positive reinforcement is the key. With the right rewards and a sprinkle of patience, you'll have this spirited furball following your commands in no time. exercise needs. Imagine the Akita Inu as that friend who enjoys a regular, steady workout routine. They don't necessarily need a marathon run, but they do appreciate a good, consistent stroll around the neighborhood or playtime in the backyard. A little bit of daily activity keeps them healthy and happy. Ensuring they get this moderate exercise not only keeps their muscles toned, but also helps keep their calm and composed demeanor intact. The Shiba Inu, on the other hand, is the energetic buddy who's always up for an adventure. They're like this spirited kid on the playground, zooming from one end to the other. These little dynamos come with batteries included, and they're always charged. They crave not just physical runs and games, but also puzzles and toys that tickle their brains. Skipping their daily dose of fun and exploration might just lead to a restless Shiba. So keep them at their happiest, and to burn off that boundless energy, make sure they get a good mix of physical play and mental challenges every day. Living situation. Big and robust, Akita Inus thrive in environments where they can move freely, making homes with large yards or open spaces ideal for them. However, their protective nature means they like to patrol their territory, so a secure fence is essential to keep them safe and contained. And just as some people are more private and selective about their circle of friends, Akitas can be particular about their furry companions. If you're introducing them to other pets, it's a bit like setting up a careful first date. Slow, steady, and with lots of supervision. In contrast, the Shiba Inu is that adaptable friend who can make themselves at home just about anywhere, even in cozier city apartments. However, they still have their needs. Picture someone living in a small flat but heading out regularly for jogs or gym sessions. Similarly, even if they're living in compact spaces, Shibas need their daily exercise outings to stay happy. But remember, they have a touch of pride and can be a bit possessive about their stuff. It's essential to recognize when they're feeling territorial, much like understanding when someone's being protective of their favorite chair or gadget. Knowledge of doggy cues and behaviors can help ensure a harmonious living situation with these spirited pups. Grooming. The Akita Inu, with its plush double coat, is similar to someone with thick, luxurious hair that demands attention. This coat keeps them warm, but come shedding season, and you'll see their fur all over your home. Imagine leaves falling in autumn, but it's fur in your living space. To manage this, brushing them regularly is essential. It's like giving them frequent mini spa sessions to ensure their coat remains healthy and your home stays relatively fur-free. The Shiba Inu, though also adorned with a double coat, presents a slightly easier grooming challenge due to its smaller size. Yes, they shed, and yes, you'll notice, but there's just less fur overall. A routine brushing regimen not only keeps their coat gleaming, but also controls their loose fur that might otherwise roam your floors. Health issues and lifespan. The Akita Inu, despite its impressive size and strength, has some health concerns to watch for. They can face hip dysplasia and progressive retinal atrophy, affecting their vision. Autoimmune disorders are another concern. However, with vigilant care and regular vet visits, these gentle giants typically share 10 to 12 years of loyalty and love with their families. The lively Shiba Inu also has its own set of health problems. They too can suffer from hip dysplasia, and on top of that, some allergies. Think of how some of us react to pollen. Eye issues are also something to be aware of for these spirited pups. But with attentive care, these little charmers often live a robust 13 to 16 years, making every moment count with their playful energy. As we end this video, we hope you've discovered a bit more about these remarkable Japanese breeds. Whether it's the bold Akita with its protective nature or the spirited Shiba with its playful demeanor that has caught your eye, both promise a unique and rewarding companionship. Remember, choosing a pet is a journey, not just a decision. I hope we answered the questions you may have on mind through this video. So which of the Akita Inu and the Shiba Inu do you think is best suited for your home and why? Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. As always, if you enjoyed today's content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. To be notified when we upload new videos, make sure to click the notification bell button. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.